In this video, I'm going to show you how to see Pump.fun off-chain indicator on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. So to actually be able to see the Pump.fun off-chain indicator, click on Pulse over here, and then you want to select where you actually want to be showing these. So for example, inside new pairs, final stretch, or the migrated coins, I'm gonna go for final stretch. You want to click on these filters, and whenever these filters open up, here you can see a bunch of different protocols, and I'm going to show you, if I unselect all over here, I can select these show only pump off chain. Okay, so if I do this over here, I'm going to click on apply all. As you can see, it's going to show this symbol next to basically the token. So it says this pump v1 pair was created off chain, and this is basically the indicator that's going to show you that a token was created basically off chain. Okay, of course you want to usually you're going to be having some other protocols on here as well. Just make sure you turn this on where it says show only pump off chain, and then click on apply all, and then you'll be able to see over here whenever you scroll through, you will have that a little off chain indicator next to a specific token. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.